Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. Hope everyone good. We're gonna go over this SY Hero Bodies morph pack, and it's actually pretty damn cool. When I first got it, I thought, I bought it strictly for the veins. I miss having veins. Like I use my G8 characters a lot because I still got my veins morph pack, but this one had veins. I thought, okay, I'll use it. I could paint my own, but I'm lazy. Anyway, it does come with some cool things. At first I thought, these ain't cool. Look at the veins, they're too big, everything. But once again, this pack, if you use it with subtlety, it's awesome. There's not a million little things you can do with this, but it has a function. And that's getting a big ass body, muscles on a man and a woman, and making superheroes out of them, or really cool strong figures. And it does its job. It's pretty cool. Now I thought I'd use it on this character. This is a new G9 Santa, whatever, Nikolaus. Klaus. Hallo Klaus. Das ist richtig. What I love about this pack is that the veins are asymmetry, so they're not exactly the same on the left and right. And used subtly, they are pretty damn cool. I like this a lot. So I thought I'd use this character because it's not a standard character. He's a little bit chubby and whatever. And I thought, let me see what these morphs would look like on it. In all honesty, they work damn awesome. I can see myself using this. Now some things are a little too much, but you can always tone them down. Like that big thing in his chest, very stylized in a way. You've got different for feminine bodies and male bodies. And you can, adjust the heights for you, the sizes for you, the looks for you. You can get some absolutely pretty damn cool results with this. Now, I'm showing off the feminine ones on the male body. Obviously, they don't work too well, but let's stick with the male. And, they're pretty cool. Look at that. You want a Hulk? You got a Hulk. Just press the slider. I think they did a good job, in all honesty. At first, I just bought it for the veins, but I don't see why I wouldn't use it now for definition in characters. Using it subtly or whatever, you can get some awesome results. I mean, look at that. They haven't overdone it, and their sculpts are pretty cool. They've done a good job. In all honesty, I looked at this one for a while and I thought, I don't really need this, but it has the veins. I want the veins. But actually, they've done a good job with the sculpting, the morphs. They've put a lot of time and effort into this, and it shows. You can get some really cool things with this. And over here, I'm just using it on this dude, and already, it's looking pretty damn cool. A little bit of veins, subtlety. Always, that's the word I use in every video I ever make. Subtlety. Look at that. Now, subtlety, it works. You just got to type SY into your all up there in the search, and you'll get all the SY sliders. And damn, they work. They work really nicely. And then they go that step further, and they give you the face shapes, the nose shapes, the mouth. They've done a good job. I don't know where I'd use all of these. In all honesty, I'd use Vinmay for the mouth and the nose, whatever. But for the actual body, they've got some nice ones that would add nicely with the Vinmay pack. Over here, just look at that. Monstrous. You can go monstrous, but if you want subtlety, bam, look at that. Even less you can go. But in no time at all, you can turn your males, females, into some pretty chunky looking peoples. Them's go cray. And I like it. They render well. Now that big conk in the chest there, at the belly. I liked everything I did so far, but that thing was a little too much. Go back, look for the morph, take it away. I thought it was that one. Wasn't that one, but next one, got it. So, this pack, there we go. And then you can put back maybe ever so slightly. Obviously, I overdid it, as usual. Go back, tweak a few of the rest. Man, you can get some wicked bodies from this. Like those wicked ogres that are still quite chubby, but they got that muscle from like Harry Potter. Harry Potter! You can get some good results with this. And little fine things you can take out. Obviously, this was ZBrush Magic, but they've done good jobs with this, and I quite like this pack. They've gone the extra step. They've what is it called? Sculpted some cool geometry in this nice shapes, and then I just put in like one of these just to see what it'll look like. And all honesty, I like the pack. I actually use the pack. Not just the veins. I mean, look at those lats, those things on the top, whatever the hell they're called. They did a good job. So, really nice pack. It's quite simple. It's quite straightforward. There's a couple of morphs for you to use. It does its job. So if you're looking to make muscle men, muscle women, superheroes, kind of more stronger bodies, the veins alone, even for not muscle bodies, are wicked. This is a cool little one to add to your arsenal. I mean, I know I said the Vinmay pack is the be all and end all, but this is a nice addition. Look at that. Look at that. It's they did a good job. Well done. I think it's awesome. Anyway, I hope this helps. And if you're looking at it and not sure, well, now you know what they do. They've got a good couple of sliders and they make some cool stuff. Anyway, see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye, guys.